Fiberon Technologies presents the newest solution in our line of innovative interconnect products. An important feature offered by our LCX Uniboot connector is the ability to change pitch to meet different transceiver switch requirements. To achieve successful pitch swapping, please follow along to the steps below. Locate trigger housing on LCX Uniboot connector and pull towards the boot. Pinch and push up on the LCs until pitch piece is broken off from tail. There are two pitch options: the industry standard pitch of 6.25 mm or the mini-style 5.25 mm pitch. After determining desired pitch, flip and push down onto LC backposts until it snaps back into the Uniboot housing. This process can be completed without the use of any tools because of the metal backpost on our LC, which allows you to dismantle the pitch piece without affecting the fibers. It also allows you to retrofit the LCX connectors to fit into all applications. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about our LCX connector, and please reach out to us at www.fiberon.com or contact your local sales representative.